after Tuesday, y'all. Took off today. I had a doctor's appointment, getting ready for a colonoscopy. Oof, I'm not looking forward to that. But anyway, so I did a pickup at Walmart, pickup at Target. I went to two other stores, just getting things, trying to restock. So y'all know I got some of these Nutellas things here. Actually, they gave me this. This is not what I ordered. I didn't see him putting it in the bag. But anyway, I got so what I actually bought, I got pork steaks. I got 3 packs because y'all, once before these were $11 and $12. So this package was $7.84. This package was $5.31, and that package was $6.75. Can y'all see it? So I got the 3 of them, and I also got a pack. I like the rib half pork chops. They like a ribeye steak with that little hook piece on there. I like that. Okay, I got mozzarella, taco, sharp cheddar, triple cheddar, and mozzarella Kraft cheese. I got some sweet salad cubes. I haven't been able to find those, and I paid $3 and something for this. Normally it's $2 something in Walmart, but they hadn't been carrying it. Let me tell y'all about that last. I got some Camellia Red Beans. I have some already, but I want to cook me some beans. And I got my son some. Well, I got the Blue Runners to make him some chili beans. I got 2 things of catfish. This one was $7.91. We're going to have this one day the weekend. And that one was $9.94. Y'all, these chicken wings were $1.77 a pound. I like Tyson's or Sanderson's Farm, but since these were cheap, I hadn't found them this cheap in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and and cook these and see how I like them. I got 2 things of blackberries. I got some sweet potatoes. They were 77 cents a pound. I got this 10-pound bag of potatoes was $5.28. The other store, they were $7 and something. I got some diced tomatoes with sweet onion. I got tomato paste because I got some okra my brother-in-law gave me from his garden, so I'm gonna cook that one day real soon. I got some sweet peas. That's Smart sweet peas. I love this Norris cane syrup to go with when I do biscuits and mackerel or fried chicken or whatever. Love it. Badia, I get the Badia Tropical, but Risa Richardson, she the one started me with this complete. It's really, really good in your steamed vegetables. Really good. And there's not a lot of sodium in it. Let me see if I can show y'all the amount of sodium in this. 90 grams. Yeah. I love to keep the Equate wipes because they're flushable on hand. You can't do but one at a time. That CeraVe and that Downy, that's not mine. So I'm going to take that back when I go back to Walmart. I got some aloe vera gel. I need to call them too because somebody's going to tell them they don't have it and they're going to question it, and they really don't. I had one of these, y'all. It was so, and it hold up real good. But it got so hot outside to the little sticky part came off my car. I love Grand's biscuits, but for $2 and something, I couldn't get them for $5. So I got these flaky jumbos from Great Value because one day this week we're going to have breakfast. And y'all, Walmart got me though because I paid $7 for this, but it's supposed to be $12. So, see, some of that, they shoppers not doing what they supposed to do. I paid $7 for 8 bars of dye. Nah, they're going to have to get that right. This came from Target. I got some unsalted, dry roasted peanuts. I got That Smart canola oil. Y'all, that canola oil and stuff is ridiculous in the stores right now. I got these milk chocolate covered peanuts. It's the favorite day. I just got them to try them. I hope that they say the first ingredient is chocolate. Sorry about that. I had to clear some things. I got my Vagisil pH balance. That's my favorite one. And that's all I got, y'all. And I got me a storage container because I've been taking things and reorganizing, decluttering and everything. So I've gotten rid of some stuff, and I had my DVDs on a thing. I took them off of that, and I still had some VHS tapes. I went ahead and put them, I'm storing them away too. Probably gonna end up selling them on eBay or something. But that's all I got, y'all. It's real hot out there. But like I said, Walmart gave me some stuff that I did not pay for, and I'm going to call them and let them know, because somebody somewhere waiting to get what they paid for and they didn't get it. So I hate that, because I wouldn't want it to happen to me. All right, y'all. I just want to share what I got. Welcome on my new subscribers. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Bye.